Today I'm going to tell you guys about a city which I'm going in June, and this is called Melbourne. This is a city which is the second largest city in Melbourne, in Australia. First of all, it's the geography of Melbourne. Melbourne is in Victoria, which Victoria is a state in Australia, and it is in the southeastern part of Australia, and it is along the Yarra River. And you know that it approximately 8,694 square kilometers. That is approximately. And in the eastern part, there is mountain ranges, which is called the Dolino Ranges. Well, that is difficult to pronounce it anyway. Next is the climate of Melbourne. In Melbourne, it has the oceanic climate, and it is very changeable due to its location. It has cold fronts that causes thunderstorm, hail, temperature drop, and heavy rain. So it's so changeable due to its location that sometimes we imagine that there are 4 seasons in a day, which means it has the temperature of all 4 seasons in one day. Sometimes we imagine it's like that because it's kind of like that. Next is its summer. Summer is extremely hot, but sometimes it's cold like winter. And in the winter, it is so famous for its frost and fog. And here are some degrees that I would like you to know about Melbourne. So the hottest time is 46.4 degrees Celsius in the 7th of February in 2009. And the coldest is minus 2.8 degrees Celsius in the 21st of July in 1869. And hottest minimum, which is 30.5 degrees Celsius, that is famous when it is in the 1st of February 1902. And the coldest maximum, which is 4.4 degrees Celsius in the 4th of July 1901. And the wettest month is it is 238.2 millimeters of rainfall in February of 1972. And the wettest 24 hours is 113.4 millimeters of rainfall in 3rd of February in 2005. And now I would like you to know about the population of this famous city, Melbourne. The population is the 4,627 million of the population in Melbourne. And in Australia, it is 24,600 million people in Australia. And in Victoria, it is 6,359 million of people in Victoria. So there's only about 6,000 million people in Victoria. But only in Melbourne there are estimate 4,000. So it takes up a lot, right? Next is the specialties that they have eat in Melbourne. So this is some of the food that I collect that you must eat when you go to Melbourne. First is squid ink pasta. Well, I hope you know that because squid ink pasta is they catch a squid, they pull out the ink, and then make pasta with the ink, and then create pasta. And I've never tried it before though. Next is the bento box. Bento is very, very delicious, and in Melbourne it's famous for its bento box. Next is the Peking duck at the flower drum. This is Peking duck when it is in flower drum. Next is meat fruit. So it has meat with fruit. Next is the fish mackerel dumpling. Yeah, dumpling. I never tried dumpling before, have you? Next is the lamb rump in the Sunday dining. Lamb is delicious, and then Melbourne is famous for it as well. Next thing I would like to tell you guys about is the transport of traffic in Melbourne. Well, you'll see that it's very, very convenient. So, there are 3.6 million private vehicles in Melbourne. Here, you see that private vehicle, which means that a family have it. It's not public, and it is 3.6 million private vehicles. Next is that it has 22,320 kilometers of road for people in Melbourne to ride, and it has 4 main airports. Next is the public transport. We have tram network, we have coaches, trains, taxis, and buses. It's like everywhere has it, but in Melbourne there's lots and lots of it. So we have lots of trains as well. So where I'm going camping for a camping trip in June is in Melbourne, but the exact address is in Avalon College. This is the school, and it's kind of located by the sea, and it is 35 hectares, and it teaches more English for students all around the world. It accepts students from the age 10 to 18 years old. Yeah, and it is founded in 1998 by Jeffrey and Robin, and hundreds of international students come here to study. And yeah, I'm going just there for a camping trip, not study there for all my life, but I'm just go there for like camping and have a fun time there with lots of activities to enjoy. And when their children go here, parents don't have to really worry about how their children is. They take care of it a lot. Yeah. So that is all about Melbourne, the second largest city in Australia and the most livable city in the world. That is all about Melbourne. That is all about it, and thanks for listening. Bye bye.